Hello, and thank you for your interest in ChurchBooks 3 Church software. If you've ever struggled with a misplaced Excel spreadsheet, complicated or complex name brand church software, or tried to locate an important detail from a church service months ago, but didn't know where to find it, welcome to ChurchBooks 3. The simplicity of ChurchBooks 3 main interface allows you to quickly and easily enter in contributions, balance your church ledger, track your church membership, track church attendance, create a church financial statement and balance sheet, and track employee payroll, and that's just to name a few. ChurchBooks 3's one-click reports provided both a detailed and summary report with your church letterhead attached. ChurchBooks 3 stores your church data in a secure database on your local computer and not in the cloud where privacy issues may be a concern for outdated church computers. It is the best church accounting software for small churches by far and is the most practical answer to large complicated software that attempt to service multiple organizations with a single application. We would greatly appreciate your support if you could subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that others may also benefit from this valuable content. Discover how ChurchBooks 3 can help simplify your church accounting tasks. With our easy-to-use system, you don't need to be an accountant or bookkeeper. Visit www.churchbooks3.com for more information and learn how to get started quickly and conveniently today.